Okay. So you can see, just a moment. So if your system stock will increase, okay. So 701 movement type will come. If system stock will going to decrease, 702 movement type will come. You can also see verify by the direction. 701 plus 702 minus. So if your system stock is getting increased, okay, by the physical inventory part, so 701 movement type will come. If your system stock is going to decrease, 702 movement type will come. So, and whatever the difference, that will also gets posted here. Okay. So always remember, this is most important topic. Okay, in the physical inventory, and in each and every interview also, they will ask you that what are the movement types will come under the physical inventory part. Okay, so you have to tell the 701 and the 702 movement type. So when you will enter the 701, when the system stock will increase. Okay, and 702 will come when system stock will going to decrease. Now I will show you how you can create the region also. Okay, if you want to create some region, so you have to do in the configuration. So go to SPRO, go to IMG, okay, then go to materials management, go to purchasing part. System started recording, yes. Okay, under purchasing part, you have to go in this, sorry, not in the purchasing. You have to go in inventory management and physical inventory. Okay. Then you have to go in the goods go to physical inventory. No, go to movement types. Record region for goods movements. Region for movement. Okay. And you can see here, if you go drop down, see, seven, for 701, you can see this was there, right? Wrongly placed in storage location or damage. Okay. For suppose for 701 only, if you want to create another, that means mm, issued the material. Okay. Suppose if you want to, so if you just go to new entry, write 701 movement type. Okay. 1, 2 is already created. So you have to maintain 3 and you can write it. Suppose issued material. Okay. So you can do this also. Now save in your TR. Okay. So you can also create your region behind the difference of the counting. Okay. And you can maintain the same while doing the posting the MI070 code. So this is very important topic. Okay. The physical inventory part. So that you have to take care of it. Always remember when 701 movement type will come and when 702 movement type will come. Okay, and also you can do the configuration of region for movement here only. Okay, under inventory management, physical inventory, under the movement types, go to record region for good movement, and there you can create for the a region for 701 also for 702 both movement types. You can do the create the region part. Okay. If you see the physical inventory configuration also, go to physical inventory part. Okay, then the say system, it was not allowing me to freezing a book inventory. So from here also you can allow freezing a book inventory. So right, enter the plant. Okay, here I have to activate it. Freeze book in inventory store location. If you remember that while I'm freezing, system was not allowing me. So you can allow, or it's up to you, and you can do the setting here only. Okay. Then after this, if you want to set that under the physical inventory screen, okay, see the region for inventory difference. This is input. Okay, this is the required entry. So this, if you want to maintain, then you can maintain it. Okay, settings for physical inventory. Okay, for your plant, you can verify the settings. Go to your plant, just double click, or so this is the setting is here available. Display serial numbers. If your serial number is there, then you can maintain the serial number and all that. So this is also a small topic, but play a big role in the real industry. Okay, in the real time. Okay, it's not a small thing, because it's very tough to post MI07. It takes approval. Why it is less quantity is showing? Why more quantity is showing? It's rarely happened, but it's happened due to the uh, person that he or she is working in that store department. If you will not maintain the each and everything on time in the system, then you will get this type of issue. Okay. So this is about the physical inventory part. Okay. This is clear, this physical inventory part and the reservation part. It's clear.
जी सर जी सर
तो सिंपल है, ज्यादा कुछ करना नहीं रहता है। मूवमेंट टाइप्स याद रखना है, टी कोड याद रखना है, स्टेप्स याद रखना है, then you will be able to do this. Then on the next class, means I think on Monday. On Monday we will see the split valuation and the release strategy part. How to do the release strategy and how to do the split valuation. Okay. So for today, I'm closing this session.